Have you ever felt like life is moving too fast? Like no matter how much you do, there's always more to chase, leaving you feel drained, disconnected, and restless. What if I told you there's another way to live? A way to find clarity, stillness, strength, and health. Not by adding more, but by embracing less. This morning, I'm stepping into the cold on a frozen lake in the heart of Sweden. But this isn't just about breaking the ice. It's about breaking through the noise, overwhelm and endless distraction of modern life. It's about rediscovering the stillness that lies within all of us. I often think about how life used to be, how it was for our ancestors. Did they even have to think about reconnecting, about finding stillness, about embracing what's around them? Or was it just life? Simple, natural, part of who they were. And now, here we are, trying to remember what they never forgot. This ice is like the layers we built around ourselves. Years of distraction, stress, and noise. Breaking through it isn't easy. It takes effort. It takes patience and presence. But once you break through, there's clarity, stillness, and renewal waiting on the other side. This process mirrors life. It's not quick or easy. It takes focus, presence, and persistence to get beneath the surface. But when you do, the rewards are profound. These moments feel simple, yet significant. It's a reminder that slowing down, embracing the elements, and connecting with nature can restore us in ways technology never will. Life gives us energy, like a reservoir deep within. But how often do we draw from it without filling it up? Every late night, shitty food, every moment of spending mindlessly scrolling on the phone or chasing the next big thing. We drain from this reserve. And yet, we rarely pause to restore it. But here's the truth. You can recharge. You can rebuild. This is where stillness begins. Stillness, it's a practice. It's not always easy, but it's where we reconnect with ourselves, our breath, and the world around us. In these moments, we remember what it means to live with depth and intention. Cold exposure is as much about the mind as it is about the body. It's about being fully present, fully aware, and embracing the discomfort. In doing so, we discover clarity, resilience, and strength. It's a practice of surrender and renewal, a way to reset both body and mind. This is where stillness begins, with the breath, with the presence, with the courage to embrace discomfort. When you step into the cold, there's no room for distraction. It's just you and the moment, fully live. And in that, you find something deeper. Discomfort isn't the enemy, it's a doorway to clarity, resilience, health, and strength. It's in the moment like this when everything else fades away. You realize you are not here to chase more, but to feel more, to live more, to be alive. As I make my way home, I reflect on how important it is to create moments like these. Moments of effort, challenge, and stillness. They are reminding me to slow down, to reconnect, and live life with purpose. If this resonates with you, I invite you to reflect on how you are using your energy. Watch this video as a reminder to dive deeper, to slow down, and to reconnect with what truly sustains you. Remember to practice, to use your time wisely. Thank you for joining me on this journey.